Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video of the channel Curiosities of the Universe, where we explore the most incredible and mysterious phenomena of space. Today we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating and enigmatic objects in astronomy, black holes. What are they, how do they form, and what happens if someone falls into one of them? Stay tuned until the end to find out. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. They are so dense that they distort the fabric of space-time, creating bizarre effects such as time dilation and space contraction. But how do they form? There are two main types of black holes, stellar and supermassive. Stellar ones are the result of the death of very large stars, which explode in supernovas and collapse into themselves, leaving an extremely compact core. Supermassive ones are much larger and older, and are found at the center of galaxies, including our Milky Way. They can have the mass of millions or billions of suns, but no one knows for sure how they originated. You may be wondering, if black holes do not emit light, how can we know that they exist? The answer is that we can observe their effects on the environment around them. For example, when a black hole attracts gas, dust, or nearby stars, it forms an accretion disk, which is a ring-shaped structure that spins around it. This disk gets so hot that it shines in different wavelengths, from infrared to X-rays. Another way to detect black holes is through gravitational waves, which are vibrations in space-time caused by violent events in the universe, such as the merger of two black holes. These waves were predicted by Einstein more than a century ago, but were only observed for the first time in 2015, thanks to the LIGO project. But the most impressive way to see a black hole is through its shadow. This is the dark region in the center of the accretion disk, where not even light can escape from gravity. In 2019, for the first time in history, astronomers were able to capture an image of the shadow of a supermassive black hole in the galaxy M87, using a global network of radio telescopes called Event Horizon Telescope. This was an incredible achievement for science, which confirmed the predictions of general relativity theory. Now let's imagine a hypothetical situation. What would happen if you were to travel through space and approach a black hole? Well, that would depend on the size of the black hole and your distance from it. If you were far enough away, you could orbit the black hole without any major problems, just like some stars and planets do. But if you were to venture closer, things would get complicated. First, you would notice that your clock would start to run slower than your friends who stayed on Earth. This is because time passes slower near a strong gravitational field. This phenomenon is called time dilation. Then you would see the sky warp around you, as if you were looking through a distorted lens. This is because the light from the stars would be bent by the gravity of the black hole. This phenomenon is called gravitational lensing. Finally, when you reach the event horizon, which is the point of no return around the black hole, you would feel an irresistible force pulling you inside. This force would be so great that it would stretch you like a spaghetti, tearing your atoms and molecules apart. This phenomenon is called spaghettification. And what would happen next? No one knows for sure. Some theories suggest that you would be crushed into a point of infinite density called a singularity, where the laws of physics cease to make sense. Other theories speculate that you could go through a wormhole and come out somewhere else in the universe, or even in another universe. But this is pure speculation, as no one has ever come back to tell. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video about black holes, these amazing and mysterious objects that fascinate us and challenge us to understand the universe. If you liked it, leave your like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. A hug and see you next time.